In Singapore, our hectic lifestyle often leaves us with not much time for taking care of our house, which resulted in pest infestation. We understand your needs to get rid of the insect pests. To solve that, we bring you solutions in a box. Solution in a box includes everything you need to solve your pest problem. Each pest box consists of an application guide, a bottle of pesticide concentrate, a pair of nitrile gloves, a reusable electric sprayer, and a mixing bag. Pest-Box currently comes in 3 types: Box Solution, A, B, and C. Depending on your pest infestation and needs, select the one that most suit your situation. Box is the most environmentally friendly option. Kills most household crawling insect pests. Box B targets severe bed bug infestation. Microcrystals kill remaining bed bugs as it appear. Box C is suitable for busy people who demand quick kill and long-time residual protection. It offers approximately 90 days of protection against most crawling insect pests. Fill the application bag to the 4 liters mark. Empty the concentrate into the application bag. Rinse the bottle 3 times to get all the concentrate into the bag. Insert the suction tube into the bag and screw the cap tightly. Next, shake the entire bag to ensure the concentrate is well mixed. Test spray to check that the sprayer is working well. It's important to always apply pesticides responsibly for safety and to help protect the environment. Always wear nitrile gloves, goggles, long sleeves, pants, and shoes during application. Avoid contact with eyes, skin, and clothing. In case of contact, rinse with plenty of water and seek medical attention if irritation persists. Avoid spraying to flowering plants or when bees are foraging. Keep the pesticide away from ponds, drains to minimize potential harm to fishes and invertebrates. Adjust the nozzle from jet to cone spray and we are ready to start application. Start by spraying a 60 cm band around the perimeter of the house. Followed by all the windows, light features, cracks, and openings. Spray all the roof eaves, purlins, and rafters. Spray around the trash bins to keep insects away too. Use as a spot treatment to treat areas where crawling insect pests are found. Allow the mixture to sufficiently dry before allowing your kids and pets to come in contact with treated area. The advantages include having professional treatment without sacrificing privacy, time, and cost. For your next treatment, refills can be easily purchased separately at our store.